swamp boss, dash your body in a graveyard. Badness, boy.
Yeah, what style, man? For your device, I don't know, so I want fully brave God skeleton, then I represent for Soji TV Entertainment. I mean, I say, yo, alright, that's the artists and the baddest review them, man. You hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
News team say victim get 16. Boy, can this stealing.
What's good, viewers and subscribers? How are you guys doing? I mean, I say, yo, shemdon and pang1 drop a song titled Badness, bucking up viewers and subscribers. I want no grandmother and grandpitney them get up and go over Shemdon Vivo and go give him the support, viewers and subscribers. I say, yo, that song is normal, viewers and subscribers. And you know, say Soji TV Entertainment feature another song you do. Yeah, man.
Lift up the Springfield, everything real, pussy mouth, feet pump by.
For real, man. Lift up the Springfield and... Yeah, man, me I tell you, say, yo, man, them a chops online at this about one little problem me having at this video, yeah. One little problem. What do you mean, say pang1 and pang1 is a white man now. And this a song ya make pang1 black, so right now that not add up. You see me, that's the only problem me have right now. But we now watch no face, listen to this song. Bad piece of song, or them act out the song. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Shemdon have theme space in a dance hall, you know, and pang1, you know. I would like you guys to go listen out pang1 too. He have one channel, pang1 official on YouTube, same way. Go and go listen out him song them and give artist the highlight, man, car.
Left boy head over big tree. You know the whole key, I'm a them.
Yeah, man. The artists them need the highlight because watch out now. The artists them are put in the work in your viewers and subscribers. Come on, man. You see me? Come on, man. Go give the artists them the support. You see me? Artists them are put in the work. And like on the now look over that side. Them would like you guys to get up off on the back side. You see me? And turn on the device them and type in shemdon, badness, buck. You see me? And watch the video. Watch the video and listen to the song and try to get the concept. You see me? No joke, man. You if you give you same people let me support, man. I watch you now overseas and them people they give you more support, you know, and that not happen, you know, if you get the support from our yard first before we go abroad, you know. But you don't know, we there here, we can't think for people, we not go program nobody same way. So who like the song, like you, who not like you, just so you go. Now go stop the artist them things same way because watch you now. Me like so when the artists them a put in them work and watch no face, you see me? And me like when the artists them think about other artists where them know in themselves say they have a talent but they just need a little push there, you see me? And at that, me see swamp boss I do. I give pang1 his strength and some want to see it all the time. You see me? Want to see more video with pang1 now because pang1 is an artist too. You see me? Yeah, man. pang1 have some song there and I'm belt to, you know, viewers and subscribers. I don't want to take pang1 lightly, you know. You see me? So, I respect the movement, man. I respect what Swamp Boss do for pang1. Same way.
Them pussy, they know but them only mix up. This is Swamp side and
It's a good look, man. And Soji TV Entertainment, I say, go over artists them Vivo. Make them know, say, Soji TV Entertainment. Send them over there so them can know which party supporter come from. You see me? So, yes, viewers and subscribers, go and go listen Badness, Buck. It dropped yesterday. You see me? Bad song, me I tell you. You know, Soji TV not tell you no foolishness, man. You see me? Live up in Springfield and... Yeah, man, Reboti Celtic in a them blood clot. Yes, viewers and subscribers. You know, say Soji TV Entertainment. So, I want you guys to like, share, subscribe. Leave an honest comment. Soji TV Entertainment. You see, pre?